This is lesson 2 for Scratch. And then we're gonna talk about how to make a ping pong game. So first go to scratch.mit.edu and click on Tips. And then scroll down and click on this Pong game. And then look on the right side of the screen and then click on the video to see the instructions and then hit click here to start. First, choose a backstrap. So looks like there are two choices. So we're gonna choose the neon tunnel. Neon tunnel. Click OK. And then click Next, choose a ball. So click this sprite icon to choose a new sprite. Looks like this ball. Okay. And then next we can delete the default sprite. Click on scissor and click on the cat. Next, make the ball move. And click on the motion and then choose move 10 steps and click on it to see what it does. It moves 10 steps. Next, move and bounce. If on edge, bounce. Control. Forever. And then see what it does. And then stop it. Motion. Point in direction. Change to 45 degrees. Events. When green flag clicked. Change to 15. And then green flag. Now choose your paddle. So sprite. Paddle. Okay. And then adjust the size if you like. And next, control the paddle. Select the pedal. When green flag clicked, Control forever, motion, go to mouse pointer, green flag. Stop. Next, bounce off the pedal. Choose the ball. And then create a Pong game. Events. When green flag clicked, Control forever. If then, sensing, touching, pedal, pedal, motion, turn, change to 180 degrees, and then Control, wait 1 second. Green flag. So it starts bouncing off the pedal now. Stop. Next, add a sound. Click sound. Click this icon. Let's see, which one do we choose? It's water drop. Effects, water drop. Effects, water drop. Okay. And then click scripts, sound, play sound, water drop. Next, add a challenge. Select stage. Select backdrops. Line, red, and then thicker, and then drag to the end. And choose ball. Click on scripts. And then events. When flag clicked, Control forever, sensing, touching color. Oops, not yet. So Control, if then, sensing, touching color. Let's see. If then, touching color. And then Control, stop all. Post stop to hit. So this touching color is not changing. Okay. Okay, let's try what color can we do. This is not really changing the color. So let's see. Then add this script to make the ball stop if it hits the line color. This, okay, we have to click this red color in order for this one to change into red color. So next, customize your game. Actually, let's see what it is first. Green flag. Oh, it starts having the sound now. Great. Stop. Next, customize your game. Add effects. Change the color of the ball when it hits the paddle. Let's see. Purple looks. Change color. We'll try to set this one up here. And then starting position. You can start from blue, go to, which one is it? This one. Go to 2150. 2150. Let's see, add points. Create a variable for keeping score. So let's see, data. Make a variable. Score. Okay. So this one set score to 0. Set score to 0. So change score by 1. Looks like changing score. I guess we can still keep it. Or we can take it out too. Let's see. Oh, I guess just keep it then. Let's see, change score. You can change what happens when the ball touches the button. Change the score by, oh, so this one can change score by -1. And then play sound. Change to, let's see, sounds. Let's see, where is laser 2? Laser 2, okay. Scripts. Change to laser 2. Let's see what it does. Oh, this is pretty awesome. So if I drop it, then the game ends. Okay, then we're done. Next, share your project. That's all. Enjoying the game.